As the world becomes increasingly digital, the opportunity to earn money through online gaming has grown exponentially. By 2024, it's estimated that the global esports market will reach $1.8 billion, presenting a lucrative opportunity for those looking to make a living from home through gaming. In this step-by-step guide for beginners, we'll explore 15 popular games that offer monetization opportunities and provide tips on how to get started. 1. League of Legends. With over 100 million active players, League of Legends is one of the most popular esports games. To earn money, you can participate in tournaments or become a professional player, coach, or streamer. 2. Fortnite. This battle royale game has taken the world by storm with over 350 million registered users. You can earn money by participating in tournaments or becoming a professional player or streamer. 3. CS:GO, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. This classic first-person shooter game has been around for over a decade and continues to be popular among gamers. You can earn money by participating in tournaments or becoming a professional player or streamer. 4. Dota 2. This multiplayer online battle arena (MOBA) game has a dedicated fan base and offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. 5. Overwatch. This team-based first-person shooter game has gained popularity in recent years and offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. 6. Call of Duty. This first-person shooter game has been around for over a decade and continues to be popular among gamers. You can earn money by participating in tournaments or becoming a professional player or streamer. 7. PUBG, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. This battle royale game has gained popularity in recent years and offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. 8. Valorant. This first-person shooter game developed by Riot Games offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. 9. Rainbow Six Siege. This tactical first-person shooter game offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. 10. Apex Legends. This battle royale game, developed by Respawn Entertainment, offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. Hearthstone. This collectible card game, CCG, offers opportunities to earn money through tournaments and professional play. World of Warcraft. This massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, offers opportunities to earn money through in-game items and services sold on third-party marketplaces like Wowhead Auction House or the Undermine Journal Auction House Tracker, TUJ. 13. Minecraft. This sandbox video game offers opportunities to earn money through creating custom skins, maps, and mods sold on third-party marketplaces like Minecraft Marketplace or Planet Minecraft Marketplace. 14. Roblox. This sandbox video game platform allows users to create their own games and sell virtual items on its own marketplace called Roblox Asset Exchange. 15. Among Us. This multiplayer social deduction game offers opportunities to earn money through creating custom hats sold on third-party marketplaces like Innersloth Store or Steam Workshop Marketplace, SWMP. To get started, it's essential to invest time in practicing your skills, building a following on social media platforms like Twitch or YouTube, participating in online communities related to your chosen game, networking with other players and professionals in the industry, and staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in the esports world. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success as an online gamer looking to make a living from home in 2024 and beyond.